video. I'm playing this video before you even come out. Yeah. Yeah.
Why is my hat like this? Why is my coat like this? You look good. We and these people establishing a couple of donuts early in the morning. And we wait on our sandwich. This fat ass got 2 donuts. And we back. This fat ass got 2 donuts and a sandwich. And then still want to go to Popeyes. Oh! Don't be telling all my business. And we got cold waters. Not. Tell me, did you get the remote? Did you get the remote? Girl, shut up. Nope. So y'all, we's currently at Melrose Park. Yeah, take her time. We every day did. Okay, put all your donuts over there. Only have one. I only had one. She tried to be funny, y'all, and she had 2 in a sandwich. And then gonna ask me, did you have a sandwich too? No, I had this. Not too much on me because look at my sandwich. Oh, yum. And I can see hash browns. And got hash browns. Yep, look. And it got a little crunch on them.
Financial aid. That wasn't ever explained to me. I didn't see a bill, and I just feel so sad, and I don't know what I'm going to do.
Girl, please, and it's all jiggly and stuff. That's how we like it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now my girl getting all of us together, period. Don't play with her. Pussy asshole.
With a car, so first of all, we gon' work on the stomach. Nobody wants a little tight. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and get them sit-ups right and tuck your tummy tight and do your crunches like this.
Okay, y'all, this is the end of today. As y'all can see, I was able to get my hair touched up for tomorrow. It is Friday. Tomorrow is my last event that I'm celebrating for my birthday. Today was very productive. I was able to get a lot of stuff done. Not everything, but majority of the things that I set out to do today, I was actually able to do it and get it done. So I'm proud of myself. I don't really have no more updates. I'm about to chill, watch TV, relax, and yeah, good night.